Yeah, TVL, the principal, discipline time, man. One truth, two spirit, three dominant infinities, four seasons, five senses, 6 bit deep, 7 perfection, 8 infinite, now way to kill cataclysm, 10 years of freedom with 11 languages. Why you never figure the source of our problem is? There is one truth.
This is Emakhaya Podcast.
Ola mandizibulisele kuwe kwikhaya nekhaya kumzi nomzana naphina apho ubukele ukhona. This is Emakhaya Podcast. Elami igama ndingumphumzi ndilivela Danci kuwe ndingowa kwaNzuzo eCumakala eEastern Cape eSouth Africa. Today we are blessed. Sisikelelekile eCumakala sinendwendwe. Indwendwe ke kuthiwa liyabukwa. We have umntakwethu from eMotherwell eBhayi. Bathi ke ngoxesha la ngokusegqibeka kodwa ke sakabe sihlala kwela seBhayi. Samkela uTsiviel the principal. Yakwethu amkele ukubulisa Emakhaya Podcast.
Respect. Discipline time.
Kunjani bhuti?
Bulela bhuti man, siphilile khona nisemandleni na.
Somelele nathi. Uqamatha katayi umveli kuqala, umveli Nqangi, uRamasedi nabakuthi basasithwele.
Sibulele bhuti.
Yeah. Khasibulisele nawe kubabukeli beEmakhaya Podcast.
Bhuti mandizibulisele man apha kuni qala ngelithuba. Uyabo this is just an honor. Uyabo all the way ndize apha for the other thing, and then fumane opportunity nje azo zinto endizithatha light is kind of like a dream come true, because kudala ndathetha ngeCumakala. Yabo, I would like to come eCumakala and do big things, yabo, because ndisebenza nebrother we-ATP, yabo. Ndizibulisele Emakhaya to everyone osekhaya, we appreciate the support to the channel. Keep pressing like and comment, and keep sharing, the podcast. Subscribe. Ibalekile lanto ndifundisiwe lanto mkhulu ba wherever you are, you must, it's not that abantu bakuthi they don't like that, but sometimes nam ndiyayenza ubone nje iclip ulibala usubscriber to lanto keep la consistency, yabo. But besides igama uTVL, the principal, elasekhaya nguZuko, lukaThixo, yabo. uTVL is a Hebrew name meaning the one who Elohim is. Elohim means power, God. Or Daniel, Ezekiel, it's a biblical concept. So that what in Zuko. That's what I like. That's what I like about him. He said, when ungu Zuko, you are the God thing, not Lu. When you say Lu, it becomes something else, but it's another concept. So with CVL in Hebraically, it's kind of like uZuko lika Elohim, yabo. Ngokuzalwa nalapho nhlala khona ngokuNsebhayi, yabo. eMotherwell, that's where I developed into music ne-art form, I'm still there,
Ngumni uZuko?
uZuko ngumntakwendo libele uTyebelendle, zimbongi ke ezo nababhali, zinkosi, zishepherds, yabo. So Amandi ndawuthetha yawuthetha ngabakuthi because it's always something eyithethwe ngam kule nto ubusa nobuba ndingumni umuntu uthova umculo wamanduza inungumni yithi ndothi ndinguTyebelendle umboyi oleta kuthiwe yiyo mos ungumbhali ngolhlobo mfondini unesa sakhono sokhokhela
kuvuka eza spirit
kunjalo
of those who came before us.
Absolutely.
The beginning was watsho kabesincokola bucala wathi you began uhambo lwakho kwikhululekani. Tell us more.
Yazi into yekhululekani, every time ndibuzwa ngayo into yekhululekani, I will always talk about there was a social movement when amkhulu esasinayo eMotherwell that was called Ghetto Youth Uprising. Apho kwakho khona abantu odangatye, these were friends of mine whereby we formulated a ghetto youth movement, which was not just hip hop only, poets, ababhali, abantu abathungayo impahla yabo, because we had that idea into yoba hey, youth in our communities need to uprise from the ghetto social ills yabo. So that was around about 2002 when we started the movement yabo, as rappers, but with brothers ke ngoku ezazinga-rapi, but they were part and parcel of the movement. So Ohave, which is called Umamelani at that time, Uyakim, what is called Umaki, were part and parcel of the movement with me. So because we're sharing the same movement and same spirit and in the same culture of having to take a hip hop that was English based that time, having to put a message. That's why even the concept was Khululekani, because it was to inspire the freedom of the minds of our people. So we felt like to move from a stigma of niggas. Oh my man, you know, abantu have to, and at that time, to tell you the truth, it's hard to believe about Indobana. At that time, hip hop, it was rare to hear a rapper rapping a Xhosa.
Even up ekhaya.
Yeah, but today everyone wants to be a rapper because we language is Xhosa. At that time, even we culture hip hop, or because of rapping is Xhosa, even ngati ifoni na equivalent inside. Because kaloku kukula concept into by hip hop into yase states. But thina sasuka kula ideology sathola jonga sifuna uza ne concepts whereby sizaw relate nabantu bakuthi with the experiences that we are experiencing. So Ikhululekani comes from the social movement that was called the Ghetto Youth Uprising. And we did events, we did shows, and you know, yeah. So it came from up. There was 5 of us, 2 boys along the line, Kwashika 3. Yeah. Our first release was from the same CD. Cookie CD kwakuthiwa Intsimi. Intsimi stemmed from events esasizenza eSquarein. We called la ndaba Intsimi. Abantu bakuthi xa besiya pha bayovuna iziqhamo zengqondo.
Yayibona ikhohlakele kwala concept.
Yeah, iziqhamo zengqondo. So upon Londo le, we created it was kind of like a community. We know every Sunday we're going to Entsimini, siyovuna Entsimini. Akuculi nabani nakhe Entsimini. Ucula abantu who have information, the inspiration just to uplift abantu. Ugoduka pha uqomba, yhe, aya umoya uphezulu. Uyabo? So sa-formulate CD, artists performer pha. We formulated CD that was called Intsimi Mixtape. Kukingoma ke nguye Khululekani pha ezimbini. Enye kwakuthiwa nguNtombazana, enye kwakuthiwa We Cool Come Collected. So most abanye abantu basazi from kula CD.
Okay.
Abantu bacimbe hayi CD yethu. It was just a collective movement. Then thina ngo-2008 we released ke ngoku officially EP eyayina 7 songs that was called Ukhululekani. So there was a song called Khululekani, there was a call called Ntombazana, there was a song called Choices from Gwi Project yeKhululekani.
And ezo ngoma zonke zanenzela igama ebantwini.
Those are the songs that have really pushed us, and those are the songs that have inspired. Bendisekapa.
Yeah, thetha.
Bendisekapa ndaba no ATP. Bendisekapa ndaba no ATP. We were doing our tour.
Okay.
There are 2 brothers I've met who are icons ekapa. They told me direct about brotherhood. If it wasn't for you personally from Khululekani, we will never develop such a style of rap ekapa. He told me direct like that. At that time, kwangekho social media and everything, but you guys, what you did with Khululekani, uyabona ngala Ntsimi mixtape, like the concept of Intsimi, ukutya kwengqondo, the influence brothers you had to us. Sisesikolweni, ila chap sasidlale that way esikolweni. We started rapping ngesiXhosa. Kumele concept nsithi we were the ones, but ngoku iba ngathi unenhle konkulu xa usithi ngesiXhosa yes.
Yeah.
So it was so joyful to hear umuntu ethetha lanto ba kumkani yabule, finally I've met you. Yabulela kingi influence ne impact of what you done for us this side of the Cape. Kumbule baseKapa bona. Thina sise Eastern Cape. But thina ke different land. By Eastern Cape we never had companies that were able to put imali behind our art forms. Like ezinye artists like abo Retex and others, 3 Months Cup, eKapa, at least they got the record companies that were able to put their sound imali behind their sound. That's why they were able to blow national.
Ndingaqhawulanga nabo Red Bull bayakwazi ba amajita. Umzekelo Retex bakwazi uthorisha phesheya through Red Bull.
Yes.
Uyibona indawuni i-hip hop i-representwa like in our languages like isiXhosa yabo ikhule indawuni ya in 2013.
Knowledge of self-discipline is a way of life. We gotta go back before the white man system start generating death. Discipline is a way of life. We gotta go back. Power, peace, and knowledge of self. TVL, the print. TVL, the prince has spoken, man. Vitamin D here, 400% like that. Port Elizabeth, yeah, forever. Vitamin D daily.